Welcome friends. Today I will discuss 50 MCQ on the subject of general science. It will be very helpful for upcoming examinations such as WBCS Prelim, PSC, SSC, TET, IBPS, RRB, RAIL or any other examination. So let us discuss them. When a gas turns into a liquid, the process is called, answer is condensation. Next, which of the following elements is a metal? Answer is Ga, gallium. Next, oranges are rich source of, answer is vitamins. Next, most plant and animal cells are similar in some respect since they both have in common, answer is cytoplasm and nucleus. Lamarck's theory of inheritance of acquired characters was challenged by August Weismann. Next, iodized salt is used for men because it, answer is improves digestion. Next, in which layer of the atmosphere do most weather phenomena occur? Answer is troposphere. Next, in the HINI virus, what does the alphabet H and N stands for? H stands for hemagglutinin 2, N stands for muramidines, muraminides. Answer is both are correct. C. Next, in the context of genetic disorder, consider the following. A woman suffers from the color blindness while her husband does not suffer from it. They have a son and a daughter. In this context, which one of the following statement is most probably correct? Answer is D. Son suffers from color blindness while daughter does not suffer from it. Next, in the context of CO2 emission and global warming, what is the name of the market-driven device under the UNFCCC that allows developing countries to get funds or incentives from the developed countries to adopt better technologies that reduce greenhouse gas emissions? Answer is carbon credit rating. Next, in the context of alternative sources of energy, ethanol as a viable biofuel can be obtained from, answer is sugar cane. Next, in making the saffron spice, which one of the following parts of the plant is used? Answer is stigma. Next, in higher pair, the relative motion is, answer is combination of sliding and turning. Next, in an atom on 2 electrons have all the 4 quantum numbers identical. This is known as Pauli's exclusion principle. Next, in a dry cell, that is mean battery, which of the following are used as electrolytes? Answer is ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. Next, if the radius of the earth were to shrink by 1%, its mass remaining the same, the value of G on the earth's surface would, answer is B, increase by 2%. Next, galvanized iron sheets have a coating of, answer is zinc. Next, fruit most suitable for making jelly is, answer is mango. Next, epicenter of an earthquake is a point associated with the, answer is point on the earth's surface just above seismic focus. Next, endoplasmic rect- reticulum is bound by? Answer is membranes. B. Next, electric current is measured by? Answer is D. Ammeter. Next, dim vision in the evening and night results from the deficiency on which one of the following? Answer is A. Vitamin A. Next, diffusion of light in the atmosphere takes place due to? Answer is B. Dust particles. Next, dental caries are due to? Answer is C. Bacterial infection. Next, consider the following statement. 1, 2 has been given. Read this 2 statement and then answer. Answer would be A. 1 only. Consider the following statements. 1. Cigarette smoking exposes a person to benzene. 2. Benzene is known carcinogen. Which of the statements given above is are correct? Answer will be C. Both A1 and 2. Consider the following statement. Sweet orange plant is propagated by grafting technique. 2. Jasmine plant is propagated by layer technique. Which of the statement is given above is or are correct? Answer will be C. Both 1 and 2. Consider the following. 1. Camphor. 2. Chicory. C. Vanilla. Which of the above is are plant products? Answer will be D. 1, 2, 3. Next, bottleneck inflation means? Answer is B. Rise in the price without increase in the aggregate demand. This is bottleneck inflation. Next, biological oxygen demand BOD is used as a standard measure of? Answer is C. Oxygen level in the system. Next, an eclipse of the sun takes place. Answer is C. When the moon passes between the sun and the earth. Next, among the following, the richest source of protein is? Answer is A. Groundnut. Next, all electioneer campaigns during to the time of elections are stopped. Answer is 36 hours before the actual poll. Next, AIDS stands for? Answer is C. Acquired immune deficiency. Next, activity of brain is recorded by? Answer is B. EEG. Next, acquired immune deficiency syndrome AIDS is caused by? Answer is D. Virus. Next, a term associated with the comparisons of processing speed is? Answer is C. MIPS. Next, a plant leaf appear to green because it? Answer is C. Reflect green light. Next, a periscope works by the principle of? Answer is B. Total internal reflection. Next, a mixture of solid Al2O3 and Fe2O3 can be separated by the method of? Answer is B. Magnetic separation. Next, a hollow cylindrical rod is filled with air to make it a resonance column to produce a wave of length 48 cm. The minimum length of the rod should be? Answer is B. 24 cm. Next, which of the following is most likely to cause a rise in the average temperature of the earth in the future? Answer is B. CO2 from fossil fuels. Next, a healthy freshwater fish is placed in salt water. The expected consequence of this would be that? Answer is A. The fish becomes dehydrated and dies. Next, a difference of 1 degree in longitude at the equator is equivalent to nearly? Answer is B. 111 kilometer. Next, a cell recycle consists of? Answer is interphase and mitosis. Next, which of the following process of the greatest safety risk when heated is in laboratory? Answer is mercury 2 oxide. Next, a boy has 5 resistance of 1 by 5 ohm each. The maximum resistance that can be formed with them is, answer is B 1 ohm. Next, a bat is, answer is a mammal. 49. A clinical death take place when, answer is D, all the 3 conditions are present together. That means there is no pulse, there is no heartbeat, pulse are fixed and dilated, and there is no reaction to light. Next, dash Best Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology. Dash Best Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology on December 8, 2009 announced to have succeeded in completely sequencing the genome of an individual. Answer is New Delhi.